Hello, this is the video everybody was waiting for. This is the Generation Beauty swag bag. Creator Day at Generation Beauty 2018 in New York City. I was surprisingly invited to go for Creator Day and Generation Beauty for free, which was fantastic, and I had the most amazing time. I met so many people, so many brands, and just, oh my god, I gotta show you what I got. Okay, so when you first walked in, they give you a coupon to make your own palette with Doche Cosmetics, a little ticket stub like this little, and they said do not lose it. You get a swag bag at the end, which I've always wanted. I always see on other videos how everybody gets it, and I'm like, oh my god, maybe one day, and that day came for me, so I got that. I'm going to show you all that too. The other thing too is you got 2 bags that day. So when you first walked in and registered, you got this bag right here, which is loaded with stuff, and I can't wait to show you guys. I've been dying to use a lot of it, and I can't because I want to show you guys first before I start using it. And then I'm going to show you the palette I made with Doche, and I'm going to go to the swag bag, which is loaded. I mean, this is nothing compared to what the swag bag is. Alright, so you get this little duffel bag, this little bag here. It's the usual reusable bag, which I think is really, really cute. And we got a little gift set here from CoverGirl Cosmetics. So we got one of their new palettes that just launched at the drugstores. They also provided, let me just open this. Hold on. My battery's dying. I hope there ain't no punk out on me. Okay. So you get this palette, which I was definitely eyeballing and swatching. That CoverGirl was there and they had a stand there, a table, and you was able to swatch all their new stuff, which was beautiful. Mascara. One of their lipsticks. It's actually in a black shade, which is pretty cool for Halloween. And then the gel inline liquid liner, which I'm dying to try it. So that was just CoverGirl. That's what CoverGirl put in there. Then Wen was there, Wen Hair Care, and he was there. I actually got my hair done that day because it was really super windy, and oh, I had the ultimate fro. It was just such a frizz. But then they gave you a full-size, full Tuscan Pear cleansing conditioner, which I cannot wait to try. And they give you like a little pumpy thing too. What else? What else? All right, and then also at Wen, they give you the 319 hair and body dry oil intensive treatment, which is great because winter's here and you definitely need to keep your skin super moisturized. So this was awesome to get. We also got from Hask Beauty a charcoal with citrus purifying dry shampoo, full size. Then Doche was there, like I said, like I mentioned previously, and they gave us a blue eyeliner, a black liquid, a black Fierce and Fine graphic pen eyeliner, and a mascara, plumping mascara, which I've used before, and I am a fan of their mascaras as well. All right, we got this really cute planner that says create on there, and with a little bookmark, and on it is a little coupon. I'm not sure if you guys can catch them. Yeah, but I'll link the little coupon down below if you're interested in purchasing one of these planners. It actually comes blank inside, so you fill it how you want it. You start it when you want it to, which I think is fantastic. Got something from NYX as well, and NYX included their makeup sponge, which I haven't tried, and they also included a shimmer pigment. So I'm probably gonna include that in a giveaway because I don't use pigment, so that would definitely give that to you. Kula was there. They are the tanning company, and I got their classic sunscreen white tea moisturizer, so which is a moisturizer, sunscreen in one, and I am living for it because I'm getting older and I do not want to be in the sun. So very, very good. Then Reika, I want to say, I hope I'm saying that correctly. This is the turmeric lemon peel off mask, so which I'm dying to use because skincare has been my thing lately. So I can't wait to try this. And let's see, it's a bottle, so I will maybe do a video on that. Got another CoverGirl mascara. Another CoverGirl mascara. These are all in black, so I'm gonna share because I don't need that many mascaras. And then, oh, NYX, another package, another little thing here that NYX put in here, which I think is really dual chrome chromatic illuminating palette. It's a face palette. I mean, they're stunning. These are beautiful shades. I'm not a colored highlighting person, so maybe I might just put that in a giveaway. I don't know, stay tuned. I also got their Slip Tease lip lacquer in the shade Strawberry Whip, and their NYX Worth the Hype mascara. So I got a lot of mascaras so far. The other thing I got in here was the Smith & Colt, the Shining Lip Lacquer. I've never heard of them, and the shade I got is The Queen is Dead. But I mean, this color is freaking amazing. Oh my god. It's definitely like a mauve color, and I'm living for that mauve color because that's the type of lipstick I like to have. And let me, actually it's a gloss, believe it or not. It's a nice gloss. If I could catch that, there we go. So it's pretty, not bad. And then last but not least is the PYT Beauty No BS palette. Let's see if I can just try to get that here. Okay, and then this is pretty. Oh, the packaging is super soft. So here's the packaging on it, and then here is the palette itself. Oh, it's such a neutral palette. I'm living for it. Totally living for it because, oops, sorry. Let me just try to do it this way. There we go. Okay, bring it up closer so you can see. This is really pretty palette. Now, over it, on top of the shades, is fantastic, especially for beginners. Like, I mean, it gives you the base from the brow, like where to put these colors on your face. So I think it's fantastic because for beginners, you don't know where to begin. I've been there, I was there before, so I definitely could have used this before watching a million YouTube videos on how to put on makeup. But yeah, no, this is a really good palette. I don't know if I want to swatch it. I'd rather give it to someone. I'd rather put this in a giveaway for you, so I'm not going to swatch it because I have so many palettes, and this is a very, very useful palette for a beginner. So that will be going to a giveaway winner as well. That's going to be coming up really soon. Okay, so then remember, I told you that Doshé gave you a coupon in the beginning of the, once you registered for Creator Day, they gave you a coupon, and the coupon was to build your own palette, which I thought was beautiful, a beautiful idea. Oh, wait a second. Okay, so now I'm forgetting something. So as you walk around, there's also booths set up. So Kula was there, like I said, and I had to like play a little game, like Plinko. I put the chip down, and wherever it landed is the item you got. And this is what I picked. This is what I won. This is the Full Spectrum 360 Sun Silk Drops. So this goes underneath your makeup and acts as a primer. So I always can use a primer, and I was excited to win this. Hask was there, the Hask hair mask, and they were so generous. They allowed us to pick as many as we wanted of these masks. So I'm definitely gonna share the love and put some of these in here because I swear by this company. They are really good and super generous. I mean, so nice. So I got a couple hair masks here that I'm gonna include as well. All right, now down to the good stuff. Okay, so then Doshé gave you a coupon. You go upstairs, you meet them, and they had their whole table set up with a whole bunch of eyeshadows you can choose from, blushes, highlights. So they gave you this little card, and this was the card that they gave you to make your own palette when you got to their booth. So you were to pick, out of all these colors, you were to pick 1 highlighter, 2 blushes, and 4 eyeshadows. Swag bag, which probably weighs about 25 to 30 pounds. It says, I came, I saw, I contoured, and I'm struggling right now holding it. Okay. Oh wow, when I came home with this bag. Let's just get to it. Please, no more talking. You get the full set of Luxie Detail Face Rose Gold Collection Brush Set. Need I say more? Coats, another fantastic company. This is their face tinted mineral sunscreen. It also acts as a primer. Moda prismatic brushes. These are going in a giveaway. Sway, which they are, you'll find them in Walmart and I believe, I want to say CVS. I'm not sure, but so they provided their charcoal purifying mask and a lip mask, which I use a ton of those. We got Vital Proteins, Eva NYC. We got this leave-in cream, Vegas Nail Lashes, Creme Mascara, Kiss Press-On Nails, Maybelline Mascara, the Derma E Sun Protection Mineral Powder. You can set your makeup with this powder as well. The Joa Glow Activator Radiance Primer, which I was dying to try. Cella Brow. This is the Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream, which I was a huge fan. I got this in my BoxyCharm and I used it all up, so I'm glad I got another one. This is the Pure Volume Vixen Mascara. Whew, this is the Mad Skincare Spot On Targeting Skin Brightening Serum. Got the Buxom Plump Line Liner in the shade Undercover. MAC Lip Duo. Apto Skincare Healing Turmeric Mask. IBY Beauty was there and they gave me a lippy. Very, very. You got Tony Moly Panda's Dream, a moisturizer. Ooh, sorry, I'm throwing stuff here. A face palette, a makeup palette by Nomad Cosmetics. Dirty Little Secret in the shade Bear. And got something here from Juvie, and I'm not sure what it was. I didn't open it. I'm opening it up really quick. This is the Exfoliating Face Wash. Another mascara from Maybelline. We got the VDL Face Primer, which is a dupe for the Hourglass Veil Primer. Then you got the Buxom Mascara. Pixie by Petra Tinted Brilliance Balm, Tinted Lip Balm. Essence Makeup, they gave you a plain palette, just a regular a palette where you can add these little shadows. There's some shadows on here that you can pop in and build your own shadow. I'm sorry, you build your own palette. Then you have Freeman Beauty Infusion Cleansing Clay Mask. Larizzi Cosmetics, a Light Stick Illuminator. Ofra Highlighter, and this is all of the lights. Oh my gosh. This is what I was excited for. The Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, full size. Patchology, Wink Wink 5-minute AM PM gel mask, eye gel masks. Marc Anthony Frizz leave-in conditioner. Not Your Mother's All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 Perfecting Spray. Shea Moisture silicone-free leave-in treatment. Pure Lee's Coconut and Oil and Coffee Body Scrub. I'm still going. It's still like more than half a bag. Bioderma full size. Brazilian Kiss, also by Sol Janeiro. This is a lip balm, like a lip butter. You got Acne Free, Witch Hazel Mattifying Toner. I'm like so excited to try all this stuff. Pop Beauty, it looks like this is a Pure Pigment Metallic Powder. Pigment, excuse me. This is by Koki Professional Cosmetics Matte Setting Spray. The Balm Black Liquid Eyeliner. Absolute New York, and in here was a loose powder illuminator and a glimmer lip spark in smoky quartz. Ebonel Skincare Hyaluronic Collagen Sheet Mask. Nexus provided a shampoo and conditioner. It's like $26 each at CVS. Like this is sick. The stuff that we got in here is sick. I haven't even counted up all this stuff to know how many hundreds of dollars is sitting in here. It's amazing. The other, we got Tipsy Brush Eyeliner. Never tried them. We got Innisfree Intensive Hydrating Serum. Full size Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. And I just got this in my BoxyCharm in a spray form, which is great. Full size Orb Dry Texturizing Spray. Full size. Brazilian by Sol Janeiro Brazilian Crush. This is the Body Fragrance Mist. I'm still going. And from Inga, this is Cover Fitting Tattoo Foundation. So there's a couple samples in here of their stuff. So I've never heard of them, but I can't wait to try it either. Got a palette from The Balm. And this is the Meet Matte Schmaker. And I've never seen this one before. So, which is really cute. So you got your mattes on the top and the shimmers to go with it. So I'm really feeling this palette. Really, really dope. So we got that. And then we got the full-size Belief Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. Belief is amazing. They have some awesome good products. Alright, so we're down to the last few items in here. So I'm just put this bag down. Okay. So they gave you Grande Lips, gave you, oh crap. Grande Lips gave you a, hydrating lip plumper. Jouer was there. Jouer gave a lip topper in champagne gold. And then last but not least, we got Catrice Cosmetics. And here they gave you the Ultimate Chrome Eyeshadow Collection palette. Their Prime and Fine Fixing Spray. So I guess this is maybe a dupe for the MAC Fix Plus. And then they gave you a highlighting eyeshadow in the shade Luminous Sensation. So that's my swag bag. I don't know how many hundreds of dollars between these two bags that I got. I'm still in shock that I got it. So that's that. So stay tuned because I still have to do part 2, which is the Generation Beauty bag that they give you at the end of Generation Beauty, and I'm gonna do the giveaway on that video too, so stay tuned. That'll be coming in the next couple days. But again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.